Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you guys with another meal prep video. If you guys want to see how I made all of this, keep on watching. So we're gonna start off with our chicken. I already washed my chicken. If you want to know how I wash my chicken, please refer back to my last video. So we're just going to season it pretty simple with some salt, pepper, a little bit of paprika, and I'm using this liquid seasoning I bought at my local supermarket. You'll see it soon. So make sure that every strand of chicken is well coated with the seasoning, and you're gonna set that aside for about 20 minutes and up to an hour to just let it marinate and soak up all the flavor. Okay, so as a side, we're going to make some potatoes. I already washed my potatoes and cut them in half. We're going to add some vegetable oil, some salt, a little bit of pepper, and some dried oregano. And make sure every piece of potato is coated in the oil and well seasoned. And we're gonna cover it with some foil. Pop that in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 minutes, and then uncover it and let it crisp up a little bit for 10 minutes. Okay, so while we wait on the potato, let's start working on our chicken fajita. Oh, I'm making chicken fajita. I should have said that at the beginning. So we're gonna start with some vegetable oil on a really hot pan. Add your chicken. Pretty simple. Cook it for about 15 minutes. Don't cook the chicken all the way through, and then add your peppers and let it cook to your liking. So if you want it well done, if you like your vegetables raw, then again, it's up to you. It's up to your preference. Once you add your peppers and onion, make sure you lower the heat so the peppers can actually cook, and stir occasionally. Since I'm having my fajitas with potatoes, I didn't want it to be too dry, so I decided to add some tomato paste to it. I mixed up a tomato paste with a little bit of warm water so it could be a more liquidy consistency. Then I just mix it up with the fajita. Okay, so let's start working on our second meal. We're making pasta again. I love pasta. So we're gonna boil our pasta in some chicken bouillon and salt water. The chicken bouillon makes such a big difference, guys, because it just, the flavor is always there. You should try it. Okay, so while our pasta is cooking, let's start with our shrimp and spinach base. This time I got garlic. I did not forget my garlic. We're not using garlic powder. We are using raw, fresh garlic. So we're gonna saute that. Add a little bit of butter to it because we want the pasta to be buttery. Then we're gonna add our spinach. Wait, hold on. I skipped the shrimp. We're gonna add the shrimp and the spinach. You'll see. Just keep watching. I did not film the part where I was plating this, but basically I served this with a side of string beans. They were canned string beans. I don't usually like canned stuff. However, I had it at home and yeah, I wanted to use it. We are almost done, guys. Meal planning is so exhausting. I was like, this was my 3rd hour. Anyway, we're gonna make some sweet potato and Brussels sprouts as sides. We're gonna season them with salt, pepper, oregano, the same thing as the potatoes, and then add the oil. Make sure everything is coated so it doesn't burn or stick to the pan. And then we're gonna pop them in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. The potatoes took longer. The sweet potatoes took longer, but the Brussels sprouts should be done in like 15 minutes. Okay, in a pan again, add some vegetable oil. I washed my pan 3 times so I could film this. I did not want to have a lot of dishes, if you're wondering. Anyway, so we're adding our tofu. I usually cut my tofu into like smaller cubes and bake them before I sauteed them in the pan. However, I was running out of time. I had an appointment to go to, so I just crumbled the tofu and added it to a pan with some oil. Then I am going to add my peppers and my onions. Again, sauteed that and season the F out of that tofu because we do not like bland tofu, okay? And I wanted it to be spicy because I honestly am getting tired of tofu. So the spicier the better because I won't be able to actually taste it. Okay, like the seasoning I added was not enough. I decided to go in and add some more Nashville spicy sauce to it because the hotter the better. Like I said, we don't want to taste the tofu. So yeah, we're gonna try to make it taste delicious. I was so lazy. I did not want to make brown rice, so I had these organic quinoa and brown rice with garlic I got from Costco's, so I'm just gonna use that and put it as my base, then add the tofu with the side of Brussels sprouts. My potatoes were still cooking, sweet potatoes were still cooking, so I didn't really add that because I had to bounce, but yeah, I added it later. And yeah, that's basically it. That is it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for staying till the end. I hope you guys enjoyed, you know, this little meal prep thing. I don't know if it was a tutorial, I don't know what it was, but I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure you like, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell. And shout out to all my new subscribers. I see you guys, I see you. And yeah, I'll see you guys next Tuesday for a workout video. Bye.